Hello and welcome back to Elizabeth's Healthy Plate. Today I'm sharing a simple flavor packed recipe that will blow your taste buds away. That's oregano potatoes. Let's dive right in. Half medium potatoes, lemon, cooking oil, have coriander, have garlic, paprika, oregano, and salt. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I've already peeled and chopped my potato into small even cubes. This helps them cook quickly and get the Now let's prepare the magic sauce. In a pestle and mortar, I'm adding chopped coriander, minced garlic, lemon juice, paprika, enough salt, and just a splash of water. Mash it all. Heat some oil in a pan, then fry the chopped potatoes until they are golden and slightly crunchy. Once ready, remove and drain the excess oil.
Your Google Assistant here. It's live. Here are a few other questions.
Now, in the same pan with a little oil left, return the fried potato and pour in the sauce. Mix well on a low heat, making sure every potato cubes get coated and flavor infused beautifully. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Elizabeth's Healthy Plate, and hit the bell so you never miss a tasty, healthy recipe. See you in the next one. Look at that hot, crispy oregano potatoes packed with the lemon, garlic, and herby goodness. They smell amazing, and trust me, they taste even better. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment.